Bangalore witnessed a grand celebration of Tamil heritage as the 7th World Thirukkural Conference was held on 5th July 2026 at St. Joseph University Auditorium. Former ISRO scientist and chairman of the Tamil Nadu Curriculum Panel Mailsamy Annadurai arrived at the venue and was warmly received by Dr. S.D. Kumar, President of Bangalore Thiruvalluvar Sangam, along with office bearers and members of the Sangam with a traditional bouquet welcome. Delegates, scholars, writers, students, and Thirukkural enthusiasts gathered in large numbers, creating a vibrant atmosphere from the registration area itself. At the entrance, guests paid floral tribute to the image of Thiruvalluvar before entering the conference venue, celebrating the timeless wisdom of the immortal poet. A rich exhibition showcased rare editions of the Thirukkural translated into several languages, along with Tamil literary publications and research books by distinguished writers. Dedicated stalls also displayed Thiruvalluvar-themed bags, clocks, and other literary souvenirs, attracting enthusiastic visitors throughout the day. Soon the distinguished guests, scholars, and participants entered the auditorium where thousands had assembled to witness the prestigious international conference. On the stage, eminent dignitaries, writers, and members of the Bangalore Thiruvalluvar Sangam paid floral tribute to the image of Thiruvalluvar, reaffirming their respect for the great philosopher-poet. The gathering then stood in unison as the Kannada Nada Geete was sung as a mark of respect to Karnataka and the Kannada language. This was followed by the Tamil Thai Varthu, honoring the Tamil language and its rich cultural heritage. The formal inauguration began with the traditional lighting of the ceremonial lamp by former ISRO scientist and chairman of the Tamil Nadu Curriculum Panel Mailsamy Annadurai, along with distinguished dignitaries, marking the beginning of the 7th World Thirukkural Conference. Organized by Bangalore Thiruvalluvar Sangam, St. Joseph University, and the Mother Tongue Federation, conference sessions were conducted simultaneously in the Chera Chola and Pandya halls, specially arranged by St. Joseph University Auditorium, bringing together scholars and researchers from different parts of India and abroad. More than 85 researchers and writers presented scholarly papers exploring the universal values, moral principles, and humanistic teachings found in the Thirukkural of Thiruvalluvar. One of the major highlights of the conference was the release of the research volume on world peace and humanistic values conveyed by Thirukkural by former ISRO scientist and chairman of the Tamil Nadu Curriculum Panel Mailsamy Annadurai, in the presence of Dr. S.D. Kumar, President of Bangalore Thiruvalluvar Sangam, and other distinguished guests. Scholars, translators, professors, and Tamil enthusiasts were honored for their outstanding contributions in promoting the Thirukkural across languages and cultures. The conference reflected the growing global admiration for the timeless wisdom of Thiruvalluvar as participants from different countries exchanged ideas and celebrated the literary treasure of Tamil civilization. The successful organization of the conference under the leadership of Dr. S.D. Kumar, President of Bangalore Thiruvalluvar Sangam received wide appreciation from delegates, scholars, and guests, making the 7th World Thirukkural Conference a memorable celebration of literature, culture, peace, and universal human values.
ஸ்ரீ முனைவர் மயில்சாமி அண்ணாதுரை அவர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய முதற்கண் நன்றியை வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவித்து, அதே போல இங்கே இந்த மாநாட்டுக்கு முழு ஒத்துழைப்பு வழங்கிய ஐயா கிறிஸ்டோ செல்வன் அவர்களுக்கும், அதே போல டாக்டர் ஐயா அருள்மணி அவர்களுக்கும், தமிழ்துறை தலைவர் காரணம். ஆகவே கர்நாடக தமிழர்கள் இன்றைய தினம் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நாங்கள் தமிழ் உலகத்தை பார்க்கிறோம், தமிழ் உலகம் எங்களை தலை நிமிர்ந்து பார்க்கின்றது. திருவள்ளுவர் பெருமகனாருக்கு நாங்கள் 7வது உலக திருக்குறள் மாநாடு நடத்துவதிலே பெங்களூர் திருவள்ளுவர் சங்கமும் தாய்மொழி கூட்டமைப்பும் பெருமையும் பூரிப்பும் அடைகிறது. அதே போல கர்நாடக தமிழர்களும் பெருமையும் பூரிப்பும் அடைகின்றார்கள். ஆக இங்கே வருகை தந்திருக்கின்ற சிறப்பு சொற்பாடுவர்கள் ஐயா கு மோகனராஸ் அவர்கள் இந்த மாநாட்டிலே ஆய்வு கட்டுரை உருவாவதற்கு எனக்கு பெரும் உறுதுணையாக இருந்தார். அதே போல இந்த மாநாட்டுக்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கின்ற ஐயா ஞானசேகரன் அவர்கள் உலக தமிழ் ஆராய்ச்சி மன்றம் அவர்களையும் வரவேற்கிறேன். மூத்த தமிழறிஞர் வளனரசு அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கிறேன். ஐயா திரு சி ராஜேந்திரன் IRS அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கிறேன். அதே போல எனக்கு
Today the 7th conference of Thirukkural being conducted. This is the world level conference on Thirukkural that's being conducted in Bangalore St. Joseph College, wherein the scholars from across the world they are assembled here, and they are submitting their research papers here. That includes a good number of research scholars as well as the already well-known poets here. And it's really an overwhelming response I have seen that. And they brought out the proceedings of everything also already there. And I'm happy to see a good number of media also has come there. Because today, Gen Z, when it's evolving, Thirukkural is back to the requirement for the system and the society is concerned. And that way, I'm going to see that good number of youngsters, the scholars were coming together and looking at Thirukkural for the today's need or today's necessity point of view. It's really overwhelming.
St. Joseph University is glad to host this conference, the 7th Thirukkural Conference, because it gives us an opportunity to discuss the idea of social justice in relation to texts like the Thirukkural and in comparison with local texts from Karnataka, like those produced by Sarvajna and Basveshwara. These are thinkers who have contributed to the idea of justice and care for the underprivileged. These are framing experiences in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu, in South India, all over India, as a matter of fact. So it's a matter of great pride that we have been able to bring together so many scholars and thinkers to deliberate on these ideas. Justice for the underprivileged is the biggest cause for concern, the biggest investment that a society can make in its future. And it's important that these conversations are held. We are very happy to have this opportunity to host this conference on campus.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ತಿರುವಳ್ಳುವರ ಸಂಘ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಒಂದು 7ನೇ ತಿರುಕುರಳ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ತಮಿಳರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮುಖಂಡರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸಭೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತಮಿಳಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದಾಗಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತಮಿಳರನ್ನು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
St. Joseph's University organizes 7th Thirukural International Conference. It's a really proud moment for St. Joseph's University. And there are 85 scholars, researchers, did research 333 lines of the great wisdom of Thirukural. And it was an incredible program. We got the great scientist Padmashri Mailsami here today to inaugurate the session. And around 1,000 members, not only from Karnataka, they are from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra and other parts of India, and also people came from other countries. And there are 1,000 members here in Bangalore celebrating the wisdom of the Thiruvalluvar. And we are St. Joseph's University in association with Bangalore Mother Tongue Society and also Karnataka Thiruvalluvar Sangam. We are celebrating this great event at St. Joseph's University. I welcome you all. Here the program until 6 p.m. we have a lot of programs like Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kung Fu, and also speeches from the researchers and scholars. And we are celebrating the day of Thiruvalluvar. Welcome to St.